Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y90 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, and then all you have to do is to simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon. I'm not really sure, I didn't remember, but just not the back button and the home screen. And thanks to this, you will open the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, after releasing, you can enter the recents. And here we've got stored all of the apps which we've previously opened. And if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them if you want to. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. And as you can see, they will be closed. But if you've got a lot of apps, then you can close all of them with only 1 click just by tapping on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got almost no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. As you can see, sometimes you will have to do it manually also. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your HUAWEI Nova Y90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.